The National Bureau of Investigation has filed graft and other charges against the incumbent and former mayor of Siayan, Zambo del Norte. Facing charges are former Mayor Flora Villarosa and Mayor Josecor Gepolongca. They were charged before the Office of the Ombudsman for over 190 alleged illegal contracts valued for more than 30 million pesos. In the complaint, school teacher Ana Marco testified she was used by Villarosa to be the dummy owner of Midway gas station and hardware store Midway Enterprises. The NBI discovered that during the term of Villarosa, the teachers' companies bagged various contracts from the municipality of Siayan. Villarosa was mayor of Siayan from 2010 to 2019. Mayor Gepolongca was a former municipal administrator of Villarosa. The NBI alleged that Gepolongca committed obstruction of justice for attempting to block the investigation of the contracts red flagged by the Commission on Audit.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.